What do you think of quants? Jim Simon's Medallion fund has done 39% net of fees for 3 decades, which proves that it works. Will you consider hiring a quant lieutenant in Berkshire to work alongside with Ted or Todd?
Well, I'll say no to the second part, and I'll let Charlie handle the first part.
Well, that's rather interesting. The leading quant fund did fabulously on the short-term trading. They found little algorithms that worked to make them, they had predictive value, and as long as they kept working, they just kept doing it as long as the money kept coming in. When they got to using the same system, just to finding some little algorithm and trying to do it mechanically for long-term stock predictions, the record was not nearly as good. And in the short-term stuff, they found that if they tried to do it too much, they destroyed their own advantage. So there was a limit on the amount they could make.
But they were very, very smart.
Yes, they got very rich.
Very, very smart.
And very smart and very rich, yes. And very high grade, by the way.
Yeah.
Jim Simons.
But we're not trying to make money trading stocks. I mean,
no.
The answer, we don't think we know how to do it. I mean, it isn't. If we knew how to make a lot more money trading stocks, we'd probably be trading stocks too. But we don't know how to do it, and we really don't trust anybody else to do it for us. That's simple.
Mr. Buffett has espoused for decades the philosophy of buy and hold, or hold forever, was too short of a time period. Is it a misperception on my part, or has his philosophy changed? It seems to be a much greater turnover in the equity portfolio lately.
I don't think there's that much turnover. I mean, but
no, but there's too much.
What?
There's way too much.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's still too much in the same amount.
Yeah. I'd agree with that. And the truth is, we own, our businesses are equities. So we own 400 or 500 billion, and maybe more, in businesses. We don't turn them over at all. We don't resell businesses. We could probably, well, we won't even get into that, what we could do, but we don't do it. And we do relatively little. And as Charlie says, we'd do better if I'd done less.